Ground truth. Ground truth. Ground truth is the verified, correct answer you treat as reality when training or checking a machine learning model. Think of it as the official scorecard that says what the right output should have been for each example.
A simple way to picture ground truth is like an answer key for your model's homework. The model makes predictions, and the ground truth tells you, question by question, what the right answers actually are. Your training data pairs each input with this trusted answer key, so the model can learn the mapping. For example, in an image classifier that detects cats and dogs, each training image is paired with a human-verified label, like cat or dog, as the ground truth. When you later evaluate the model, you compare its predicted label to that ground truth label to compute metrics like accuracy, just as you would with labels in machine learning more broadly.
Ground truth matters because every training step and evaluation metric assumes those reference answers are reliable. Bad ground truth quietly poisons your model, no matter how advanced the architecture is. In practice, teams invest heavily in data collection, labeling, and audits to keep ground truth as accurate as possible.